guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, for today, I'm going to do one of the pending tags na meron ako sa aking list. I'm really sorry kasi ang tagal ko siya bago gawin. So, this is the Chill Chicas tag! Yay! So, this tag has 10 questions. So, let's start para hindi na tumagal. First question. What do your friends call you? My friends call me Brevi. Yun lang. Yun lang ang aking nickname. Second question. Do you work out or go to the gym? I really don't go to the gym because may bad experience ako nung nanganak ako kay Ash. Kasi parang 6 months lang yata. Nag-gym na ako, diba? Tapos tinigil ko after a month kasi hindi nga proper yung pag-ano sa akin nung trainer. Bigla akong lumubos, nagsiputukan yung ano ko. Ang late-late ko nung nanganak, pero nung after ko mag-gym, bigla akong maras lalo. So yun, hindi na ako nag-gym. Parang mas gusto ko pa yung workout na dance, or yung simpleng walking, kasi hindi ako makatakbo kasi I have weak knees. So, kailangan ko muna siyang i-vitamins para magkaroon siya ng caps. So, yun. So, yun. Kaya hindi ako makapag-gym. And then, one of my reasons bakit hindi rin ako masyado nag-workout ngayon, kasi pwede kayo mag-workout sa house, di ba? Is because, parang ang sobrang bigat ko, baka mag-crack yung bones ko. Sobrang weak kasi. So, antayin ko muna siyang medyo bumaba yung aking weight bago ako ulit mag-workout dito sa house. Ginagawa ko usually is dancing and then dumbbells. So, mga 5 pounds pa ang kailangan kong i-lose kasi right now, I'm currently on 133 to 130 to 133 yon. Tumatakbo-takbo sa ganun. Third question. What do you do other than making videos on YouTube? So, aside from making videos in YouTube, I'm a mother. I'm a freelance makeup artist for events. So, rumaraket din ako. And I'm a freelance artist, racketera. So, what it means is, kahit anong racket, pinapasukan ko. Basta okay yung pay, worth it naman siya and all that. So, kasi hodang marketing siya and all, and like for example, pagka-talent and all, kasi yun yung nakasanayan kong trabaho. Tinitira ko siya, basta okay, worth it yung pagod and all. Fourth question. Do you think you deserve more views and subscriber on YouTube? Nakaka-stress naman tong tanong na to. Honestly, I really don't care about the ratings, the stats, and all. Kasi I'm doing this for fun, for parang passion, just to parang mapunan ko yung talagang gusto kong gawin. Because yun nga, before, I used to be in front of the camera and all that. Siguro yung nahanap lang ng katawan ko. Kaya rin ako nag-start ng YouTube. Masarap, masarap gawin yung gusto mo talaga. Parang hindi siya nakakapagod. So, yun, I really don't care. Actually, nasa tao yan if I deserve more views and all. Yun lang. So, fifth question. What kind of lighting, backdrop, and camera do you use for filming YouTube videos? For my backdrop, yung ano lang, tawag dito, yung room ko lang to. Actually, nasa gilid ako. And then, for my camera, I'm using Sanyo Sakti CG20. That's the cheapest full HD camcorder na makikita mo. Na may name I'm not sure sa mga China made and all. Pero siya yung cheapest kasi 6,000 lang siya. The only con ba ang tawag? Con part is you have to use a charger para lang mag-charge ng battery. So, separate siya, hindi siya direkta. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-film habang nakasaksak siya. So, doon ako nahihirapan. At saka madaling maupos yung battery. And then for my lights, I'm just using a lamp from Divine Soria. So, mura lang to. Ito lang yung na kiniklip-clip. Then, yung lights is 35 watts na LED. Yeah, LED lights. So, white siya. Fluorescent light. So, dahil starting lang naman, okay na. How do you intend to improve your videos? I'm planning to upgrade someday, somewhere. Yeah, someday. But of course, syempre hindi unti-unti din. I'm planning to upgrade siguro my camera. Ipon-ipon muna. And then, but as of the moment, okay naman siya. Kasi ang hinahanap ko talaga full HD na kasi maganda yung resolution niya. Then, yung lights, okay na sa akin eh. Siguro, mag-aral lang kang mag-edit pa. And, yun nga, proper auto balance with the lights. Ewan ko, anong kulay ko. Kasi right now, I'm using iPad of my daughter. Kasi, hindi ko charge pa yung But I really want to do this tag already. Kasi sobrang tagal na ng pending. Ang daldal ko, no? Okay, 6th question. How do you intend... Ay, hindi. Sorry. 7th question. What do you think is your best asset? Again, hindi ko alam. Siguro yung... Hindi ko alam. What you see is what you get with me. And... Yun, hindi ko alam kung anong asset ko. Kasi... It really depends on the eyes of the beholder for me. Yun yung lagi kong iniisip. Magustuhan nyo ako, hindi, okay lang. Kasi kayo yun eh. So, I don't know. Sagot ko. 8. Who are your favorite Filipina YouTube makeup gurus? International na lang ako Ren, pinapanood ko pa rin. And then Judy Travis. Judy Gutierrez Travis. And then, that's Heart. Si Heart. Ano ang pinito ni Heart? My goodness. Si Jermaine naman, pinapanood ko rin siya dati. Lalo na nung mostly pinofocus niya talaga is, tawag dito, makeup. Ngayon kasi, iba-iba eh. But, still, I love her. And then, 9th question, what's your reaction or opinion regarding negative criticism or bashing? In any ways of life, maraming ganyan. Again, you can't please everybody. So, what I think, it's pretty normal. So, kailangan lang natin tatagan yung loob natin with regards of the basher. And take it as a constructive criticism. Learn from it. And you know naman if the criticism is correct or right. Because you know your weakness. Ikaw napapanood mo yung videos mo and all. So, paano ko ba sasabihin? Just take it lightly. Kasi kung iti-take natin personal, Diyos ko, galit na tayo. Baka nagkipag-gera na tayo. And all. So, let's just always remember, we can't please everybody. So, let's stay focused with the strength and with the fun that we're getting with filming. So, yun lang. Na-stress ako dito. 10. Do you have any message to our co-YouTubers? Right now, the only message that I can give is let's support our fellow Filipino co-YouTubers because I'm so glad that we're actually growing. As in, talagang growing. Hopefully, soon, tama si Kissy din sa kanyang hinat siya sa makeup story tag na sana soon we'll have our own events as YouTubers here in the Philippines. And sana may mayroong mag-sponsor rin sa atin for that event. na mag-gather tayo every year for that. Then, yung isa pang sabi ng ating fellow YouTuber na don't hate, just appreciate. Let's always focus on the positive things in life. And enjoy filming and posting videos here in YouTube. That's all. I thank you. Lagi feeling beauty contest eto. So, ayun lang. Hindi ko alam, chill, nakaka-stress pala itong mga tanong mo kasi hindi ko naman binasa. So, hindi ako nakapaghanda. With this, pasensya na talaga. Umuulan na naman. Tuwing nag-film ako, laging umuulan. So, yun lang po. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this tag. And that's all. Let's stay positive and sweet. Have a great day. Bye-bye!